I've got a hot tip on the Binsr. As a reminder, the Binsr is the buyer inspection seller response, which is part of the AAR contract. I know you all are busy out there, but please do not forward the Binsr to the lender if the buyer is obtaining a home loan. It's not something that is required by the lender, and you don't want to slow down the process, so I recommend you don't forward it. Let me explain. Perhaps in lieu of repairs, the seller is going to contribute towards the buyer's closing costs. Then you want to prepare an addendum, and less is more here, guys, trust me. A seller to contribute X dollars towards buyer's closing cost and prepaids, for example. That's perfect. We don't get into questions on what's going on or why. For example, we had a contract come in recently where this addendum said seller to contribute towards buyer's closing cost in lieu of electrical repairs. Oh my gosh, red flag. What? What's going on with electricity? And then we have to dig deeper and deeper and deeper. Now, sometimes it's nothing, but we can't tell with that type of written communication what's really going on. And you know how underwriters roll. They want to know more. So remember, lenders do not receive the home inspection, nor do they get the Binsr. What lenders are looking for is anything that has resulted in a negotiation in lieu of or because of the Binsr. So let's try to keep that addendum as clear and concise as possible, and that's really going to help this move slowly through the process and get to the closing table. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to chat.